Hello, it's Danielle Jones, your favorite government contracting expert, and today I am going to go over how to find federal government contracting opportunities. So there's plenty of websites out there, course free websites and paid subscriptions that you can purchase to find federal opportunities. But one very simple way to find opportunities for the federal government would be SAM.gov. Okay, so of course, first step will be to log in. And right now I am currently logged in. And you will go to SAM.gov, and then you will go to the government contracting opportunities, because that is what we are going to focus on today. So once we click on the government contracting opportunities, we want to go to the advanced search. So the reason why we're going to the advanced search is because we're going to go over the different filters that there are to help you really narrow down opportunities that fit your company. If you go to the more general searches and you just go in here and you search general keywords, you will get so many, sometimes hundreds and thousands of opportunities that doesn't really seem like it fits your business. So what we're going to do is learn how to use the filters to really narrow down the right contracting opportunity for you. Okay, so let's start. So if we go down here, we see that we have filter by, and everything that we're going to look at today is going to be on the left hand side of your screen. Okay, so we are going to go over the filters. So of course we have keyword search. You have the choice to search any words. You have the choice to search all words and exact phrases. So what does that mean? Any words is if you would search results which contain one, some, or all keywords entered. So all words, search results will contain all keywords that are entered. And then exact phrases is exactly what that is. It will contain the exact phrase of the keywords that you put in there, okay? And so this is the box that you will utilize to, put either your keywords, or if you already know the opportunity that you're looking for, you can put the exact words there as well. So how do we use these other filters that help us out? So if we know for sure who the agency that we're particularly looking for, or we want to do business with, or we know that there's an opportunity that they are putting out for bid, and we only want to look at opportunities from that particular company, then we would click on this drop down box for federal organizations. All right, and this drop down box will give you all the federal organizations, and you can choose which one you are looking for. Okay, the next are dates. I can't express how important this box is. This is actually a tool that I use when I'm looking for opportunities, because it allows me to look for the most updated opportunities, but it also allows me to look at when responses are due. So I don't get too excited about opportunities that are posted. And unfortunately, the due date is in the next 3 days, right? So it's not really something that's feasible for us to go after. So you can choose response date, okay? If you're looking for an opportunity that's due in the next month or the next 3 months, you can choose the response date, or the date that the offer is due. Okay, so that means when you're looking for opportunities, you're not looking for opportunities that are either due for the next week, or they're not due for the next month, or even the next 3 months. Or sometimes with forecasting, which we're not going to tap into today, you can actually look at opportunities that may potentially come out next year. Okay, so that would eliminate, if you're looking for something in the next 3 weeks to a month, it would eliminate, again, getting excited about an opportunity that is actually closing in three to 4 days or in a week. So when I'm looking for opportunities, this is another thing that you want to keep in mind. You can actually search for opportunities on when they were updated. So that helps you, again, not look at old opportunities, okay? Getting excited about something that has already closed, or getting excited about something, again, that is closing very soon. So we may want to look at opportunities that were just updated in the past 2 days or the past 3 days, because we know that there are newer opportunities. And we know that if they have just posted in the past 2 days, 3 days, or even the past week, that we potentially have time to respond to those opportunities, and it may be something that's feasible for your company to go after. So again, this is just narrowing down your search, so you don't go to the generic just put your keywords in and you're getting everything that's out there. And you're not, and you have to search through thousands and thousands of solicitations to find something that your company can actually pursue. Okay. So another really important search tool is your notice type. So of course, as we know, there are different types of opportunities. So, we have our sources sought, we have our actual RFPs, we have pre-solicitations. So depending on what you're looking for, you can actually click on which one. So if I want to respond to sources sought, then I would click on the sources sought, and everything that I put in my keyword search is only going to pull up opportunities that are sources sought that are using those keyword searches. Okay. If I click on combine synopsis or solicitation, it's going to pull up RFPs, or it's going to pull up opportunities that I can actually get an award or a contract for. Again, we will break those down in a different video, but today we're just focusing on how to actually use this tool. So it's very, very helpful when you know specifically that, hey, I'm just looking for an opportunity for market research or to build a relationship with a contracting officer or agency. You can click on sources sought and you can search opportunities that you want to respond to that are in the sources sought. If you actually want a solicitation that you can respond to that will result in a contract award, then you can click on solicitation, and everything that you search will be a solicitation, and it will not pull up pre-solicitation or sources sought or anything else. So very, very helpful on narrowing down your search. So you often hear that you can use your NAICS code as well as keyword search. And I've actually gotten this question a few times. Where do I actually put my NAICS code? Well, you can go to your product or service information. So it's another drop-down box, and this is where you can enter your NAICS code. Okay, so this allows you to enter your NAICS code so you can specifically look for opportunities in your NAICS code. You can also use your PSC code, which is your product and service code, and again, use this drop-down box to find that. So set aside, that's very important. For those of you who have certifications, it's really important to say, hey, where can I use my certification? How can I leverage my certifications, right? You will go to your set aside opportunities. So if you are an 8A firm and you are looking for opportunities just for 8As, then you will go to the 8A set aside. If you're looking for HubZone opportunities, then you can specifically click on HubZone. So again, when you put your keyword search in, when you put your NAICS code in, when you're searching according to those dates, everything is going to come up according to these set asides. So it really helps you kind of filter out any other opportunities that are not focused on your particular set aside. And place of performance is also a very big thing, right? You want to make sure you can perform your contract. And so sometimes you want to focus on a certain state or territory, and you're really not interested to say, I don't know, do business. If you're located in Pennsylvania, you may not really be interested to do business in California or Texas. It may be outside of your capabilities, right? To do any work that's in California or Texas. Maybe not quite there yet to expand to those territories. That is fine. And you just want to narrow down to maybe your more local community, your state, or maybe the tri-state area. Then you can search by opportunities by the state, of course, the zip code, as well as the country. But remember, federal contracts are not just limited to the United States. It is worldwide. So if you're interested in doing business in another country, you can also click on the country and select which country you're interested in doing business with, and those opportunities will be narrowed down to that country. Okay. So contract awardee, contractor awarded name. So if you're looking for a specific contractor that's been awarded a contract already, this could be for several different reasons. It could be because you're searching for the incumbent of a contract that you're interested in going after. And an incumbent is somebody who's already won the contract or the previous contract holder. You may be looking for potential partners to team with. There's a lot of reasons why you may be looking for a contractor that has already been awarded a contract, and you can actually search their information either by their name, their entity name, or their UEI, which is your unique entity ID, zip code, or the state or province that they are located in. And again, a lot of these different strategies, as I'm talking about, when I say, hey, you can look for potential partners, or you can look for the incumbent. These are all things that we will address in other videos to really help you break down what exactly all that means. And so also the status is very important. If you're looking for contracts that you want to pursue or looking for solicitations that you're really interested in pursuing right now, then of course you will click active. If you are looking for contracts that have already closed and passed, say for instance, you're looking for previous contracts, trying to get information on the previous contract or the previous contract holder, or just to kind of do your research, as to what agency you want to work with, and you want to look at particular contracts that they have awarded in the past to kind of do your market research, then you can also click on inactive contracts. Okay, so you can click on both, or you can click on one or the other. Okay, so that is really all of your filters for SAM.gov that really help you narrow down specific opportunities. So again, that's going to be just a quick video that you can use as a guide as you're looking for your opportunities and you're going through your opportunity search. So definitely stay tuned with us. Click the subscribe button, and follow us for more nuggets to make government contracting simple. Okay, so until next time, I will talk to you.